Hello guys, welcome back to the GK MCQs video. In this video, we will cover the top 100 GK MCQs from Lucent, okay?
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Question number 1 is, in which year did the Great October Socialist Revolution take place? Your question is, in which year did the Great October Socialist Revolution take place? The right answer is option A, in 1917, okay? In 1917, Great October Socialist Revolution took place. Question number 2 is, what is the largest lake in the world by volume? Your question is, what is the largest lake in the world by volume? The right answer is option B, Baikal. Okay, Baikal Lake is the largest lake in the world by volume. Question number 3 is, which planet in the solar system is known as the red planet? Your question is, which planet in the solar system is known as the red planet? The right answer is option C, Mars planet. Okay. Question number 4 is, who wrote the novel War and Peace? Your question is, who wrote the novel War and Peace? The right answer is option C, Leo Tolstoy. Question number 5 is, what is the capital of Japan? Your question is, what is the capital of Japan? The right answer is option B, Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Question number 6 is, which river is the longest in the world? Your question is, which river is longest in the world? The right answer is option C, Nile River. Okay, Nile River is the longest river in the world. Question number 7 is, what gas is used in extinguish fires? Your question is, what gas is used to extinguish fires? The right answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Okay, carbon dioxide used in extinguish fires. Question number 8 is, what animal is the national symbol of Australia? Your question is, what animal is the national symbol of Australia? The right answer is option A, kangaroo. Okay, kangaroo is the national symbol of Australia. Question number 9 is, which of the following planet is not a gas giant? Your question is, which of the following planet is not a gas giant? The right answer is option A, Mars. Okay, Mars planet is not a gas giant. Question number 10 is, what is the name of the process by which plant converts sunlight into energy? Your question is, what is the name of the process by which plant converts sunlight into energy? The right answer is option B, photosynthesis. Okay. Question number 11 is, what chemical element is designated as Hg? Your question is, what chemical element is designated as Hg? The right answer is option D, mercury. Question number 12 is, in what year was the first International Modern Olympiad held? Your question is, in which year was the first International Modern Olympiad held? The right answer is option A, 1896. Question number 13 is, for which of this discipline Nobel Prize is awarded? Your question is, for which of these disciplines Nobel Prize is awarded? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Okay, for physics, chemistry, psychology and medicines. Question number 14 is, entomology is a science that studies. Your question is, entomology is a science that studies. The right answer is option B, the insect. Okay. Question number 15 is, Hitler's party is known as. Your question is, Hitler's party is known as. The right answer is option B, Nazi party. Question number 16 is, for which Galileo is famous for? Your question is, for which Galileo is famous for? The right answer is option D, all of the above. Okay, he developed the telescope, he discovered the 4 satellites of Jupiter, and he found that the swimming motions of the pendulum result in constant time measurement. Okay. Question number 17 is, when the first Afghan war took place in? Your question is, when the first Afghan war took place in? The right answer is option A, 1839. Okay. Question number 18 is, ecology deals with. Your question is, ecology deals with. The right answer is option C, relationship between organisms and their environment. Okay. Question number 19 is, which is the largest island? Your question is, which is the largest island? The right answer is option C, Greenland. Okay, Greenland is the largest island in the world. Question number 20 is, which one is the hottest continent? Your question is, which one is the hottest continent? The right answer is option A, Africa. Okay, Africa continent is the hottest continent in the world. Question number 21 is, What do koalas usually eat? Your question is what do koalas usually eat? The right answer is option B, eucalyptus. Okay, eucalyptus is a plant. Question number 22 is what is the most popular brand in France? Your question is what is the most popular brand in France? The right answer is option B, Bugatti. Okay, Bugatti is the most popular brand in France. Question number 23 is what is the official currency of Japan? Your question is what is the official currency of Japan? The right answer is option C, yen. Okay, yen is the official currency of Japan. Question number 24 is what is the phobia of thunder and rain? Your question is what is the phobia of thunder and rain? The right answer is option B, ombraphobia. Okay, ombraphobia is a phobia of thunder and rain. Question number 25 is what does carpe diem mean in Latin? Your question is what does carpe diem mean in Latin? The right answer is option A, enjoy the moment. Okay, quite interesting. Question number 26 is which one of the following countries is not in Africa? Your question is which of the following countries is not in Africa? The right answer is option B, Yemen. Okay, Yemen country is not in Africa continent. Question number 27 is what is the considered the lungs of earth? Your question is what is considered the lungs of earth? The right answer is option A, Amazon forest. Okay, Amazon rainforest considered as a lungs of earth. Question number 28 is where does the sushi come from? Your question is where does the sushi come from? The right answer is option A, Japan. Okay, sushi is a famous dish, okay, in Japan. Question number 29 is in which century the Mona Lisa was painted? Your question is in which century the Mona Lisa was painted? The right answer is option C, 16th century. Okay, in 16th century the Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. Okay. Question number 30 is who wrote the Great Gatsby novel? Your question is who wrote the novel Great Gatsby? The right answer is option D, F. Scott Fitzgerald. Question number 31 is which is the richest country in the world? Your question is which is the richest country in the world? The right answer is option A, Qatar. Okay, Qatar is the richest country in the world. Question number 32 is which country is the biggest grower of coffee? Your question is which country is the biggest grower of coffee? The right answer is option D, Brazil. Okay, Brazil is the biggest grower of coffee. Question number 33 is how many bones are there in the body of an adult human? Your question is how many bones are in the body of an adult human? The right answer is option B, 206. Okay. Question number 34 is when the humans use more facial muscles. Your question is when the humans use more facial muscles. The right answer is option B, the well furrowing. Okay. Question number 35 is who wrote the Crime and Punishment? Your question is who wrote the Crime and Punishment? The right answer is option B, the Fyodor Dostoevsky. Okay. Question number 36 is in which year was the United Nations founded? Your question is in what year was the United Nations founded? The right answer is option A, 1945. Okay, in 1945 United Nations are founded. Question number 37 is which city is called a city of winds? Your question is which city is called the city of winds? The right answer is option A, Chicago. Okay, Chicago city is called the city of winds. Question number 38 is what animal is a symbol of peace and neutrality? Your question is what animal is a symbol of peace and neutrality? The right answer is option D, white crane. Okay. Question number 39 is what element is a main constituent of diamond? Your question is what element is the main constituent of diamond? The right answer is option A, carbon. Okay. Question number 40 is in what year was the Ferdinand Magellan's first successful circumnavigation of the world? Your question is in what year was the Ferdinand Magellan's first successful circumnavigation of the world? The right answer is option B, 1520. Question number 41 is which river is the second longest in the world? Your question is which river is the second longest in the world? The right answer is option B, Yangtze. Okay. Question number 42 is what year was the first man sent to space? Your question is what year was the first man sent to space? The right answer is option B, in 1961. Okay. Question number 43 is which sea is considered the most salty on the earth? Your question is which sea is considered the most salty on the earth? The right answer is option C, Dead Sea. Okay, Dead Sea considered as a most salty on the earth. Question number 44 is which organ in the human body is responsible for the secretion of bile? Your question is which organ in the human body is responsible for the secretion of bile? The right answer is option A, liver. Liver is responsible for the secretion of bile juice. Question number 45 is which planet in the solar system is known as the morning star or evening star? Your question is which planet in the solar system is known as the morning star or evening star? The right answer is option B, Venus. Question number 46 is what chemical element is designated as Cu? Your question is what chemical element is designated as Cu? The right answer is option B, copper. Question number 47 is in what year did the French Revolution take place? Your question is in what year did the French Revolution take place? The right answer is option A, 1789. Question number 48 is what ocean is between Africa and Australia? Your question is what ocean is between Africa and Australia? The right answer is option B, Indian Ocean. Question number 49 is which chemical element makes up most of the atmosphere of Mars? Your question is which chemical elements makes up most on the atmosphere of Mars? The right answer is option A, carbon dioxide. Question number 50 is what chemical element makes up most of the atmosphere of Titan? Your question is what chemical element makes up most of the atmosphere of Titan? The right answer is option A, methane. Number 51 is in what year did the discovery of Antarctica occur? Your question is in what year did the discovery of Antarctica occur? The right answer is option C, 1820. In 1820, discovery of Antarctica occur. Question number 52 is in what year was the International Red Cross and Red Guard Organization Red Cross founded? Your question is in what year was the International Red Cross or Red Guard Organization founded? The right answer is option A, 1863. Question number 53 is what instrument is depicted in Leonardo da Vinci's famous painting The Last Supper? Your question is what instrument is depicted in Leonardo da Vinci's famous painting The Last Supper? The right answer is option B, lute. Question number 54 is in which country did the Chernobyl nuclear disaster take place? Your question is in which country did the Chernobyl nuclear disaster take place? The right answer is option B, Ukraine. Okay. Question number 55 is what ocean lies between the North America and Eurasia? Your question is what ocean lies between North America and Eurasia? The right answer is option B, Atlantic. Okay, Atlantic Ocean lies between the North America and Eurasia. Question number 57 is what chemical element is used to cool and freeze food? Your question is what chemical element is used to cool and freeze food? The right answer is option D, nitrogen. Okay. Question number 56 is which country is famous for its pyramids and the sphinx? Your question is which country is famous for its pyramids and sphinx? The right answer is option D, Egypt. Question number 59 is what is the name of the science that studies the past of the life on earth? Your question is what is the name of the science that studies the past of life on earth? The right answer is option A, paleontology. Okay. Question number 60 is what chemical element form the basis of the hemoglobin molecules responsible for the transport of oxygen in the blood? Your question is what chemical element form the basis of the hemoglobin molecule responsible for the transport of oxygen in the blood? The right answer is option B, iron. Number 60 is in what year was the League of Nations founded? Your question is what year was the League of Nations found? The right answer is option A, in 1919. Question number 62 is, which planet in the solar system has the most diverse climate and atmosphere? The question is, which planet in the solar system has the most diverse climate and atmosphere? The right answer is option B, only on Earth. Question number 63 is, in what year did the Berlin Wall fall? Your question is, in what year did the Berlin Wall fall? The right answer is option B, 1989. Question number 64 is, which sea lies between Asia and Africa? Your question is, which sea lies between Asia and Africa? The right answer is option C, Mediterranean Sea lies between the Asia and Africa. Question number 65 is, which organ in the human body is responsible for secreting insulin? Your question is, which organ in the human body is responsible for secreting insulin? The right answer is option C, pancreas. Question number 66 is, what year did the Great Depression start? Your question is, what year did the Great Depression start? The right answer is option B, in 1929. Question number 67 is, what chemical element is used in the manufacture of glass? Your question is, what chemical element in use in the manufacture of glass? The right answer is option C, silicon. Question number 68 is, which instrument is depicted in Edvard Munch's famous painting The Scream? Your question is, which instrument is depicted in the Edvard Munch's famous painting The Scream? The right answer is option B, cello. Question number 69 is, which planet in the solar system is known as the planet of love? Your question is, which planet in the solar system is known as the planet of love? The right answer is option A, Venus. Question number 70 is, what chemical element in the main component of carbon dioxide? Your question is, what chemical element in the main component of carbon dioxide? The right answer is option C, carbon. Question number 71 is, in what year was the UNESCO, the United Nations Educational and Scientific and Cultural Organization founded? Your question is, in which year was the UNESCO, the United Nations Education, Scientific and Cultural Organization founded? The right answer is option B, in 1950. Question number 72 is, what chemical element is used in the production of steel product? Your question is, what chemical element is used in the production of steel product? The right answer is option B, iron. Question number 73 is, what year was the Olympic Organization founded? Your question is, what year was the Olympic Organization founded? The right answer is option B, in 1896. Question number 74 is, what chemical element is the main component of the human bone and teeth? Your question is, what chemical element is the main component of human bone and teeth? The right answer is option A, calcium. Question number 75 is, which organ in the human body is responsible for filtering blood and producing urine? Your question is, which organ in the human body is responsible for filtering blood and producing urine? The right answer is option C, kidney. Question number 76 is, in what year was the first official Olympics held in modern time? Your question is, in what year was the first official Olympics held in modern time? The right answer is option B, in 1900. Question number 77 is, which planet in the solar system has the largest diameter? Your question is, which planet in the solar system has the largest diameter? It means largest in size. The right answer is option D, Jupiter. Question number 78 is, what chemical element is used to fill balloons and airship? Your question is, what chemical element is used to fill balloons and airship? The right answer is option C, the helium. Question number 79 is, in what year did the Renaissance begin? Your question is, in what year the Renaissance began? The right answer is option C, in 1500. Question number 80 is, what chemical element is used in the manufacture of batteries? Your question is, what chemical element is used in the manufacture of batteries? The right answer is option D, the lithium. Question number 81 is what type of radiations allow X-rays the examination? Your question is what type of radiations allows X-rays examination? The right answer is option D, X-rays. Question number 82 is what chemical element is used to create rainbow in televisions and computer monitors? Your question is what chemical element is used to create rainbow in televisions and computer monitor? The right answer is option D, neon. Question number 83 is which planet in the solar system is known as the blue planet? Your question is which planet in the solar system is known as the blue planet? The right answer is option B, Earth. Question number 84 is in what year did the first man land on moon? Your question is in what year did the first man land on the moon? The right answer is option B, in 1969. Question number 85 is which actor portrayed James Bond in a record 7 movies? Your question is which actor portrayed James Bond in a record 7 movies? The right answer is option D, Roger Moore. Question number 86 is Filaria is caused by. Your question is Filaria is caused by. The right answer is option B, mosquito. Okay, the vector of Filaria is mosquito. Question number 87 is photometer is used to measure. Your question is photometer is used to measure. The right answer is option C, ocean depth. Okay. Question number 88 is in which year did the terrorist crash 2 planes into New York's World Trade Center? Your question is in which year did the terrorist crash 2 planes into New York's World Trade Center? The right answer is option B, in 2001. Question number 89 is in an adult human body the total number of red blood cells is. Your question is in a adult human body the total number of red blood cells is. The right answer is option D, the 30 trillion. Question number 90 is in which season do we need more fat? Your question is in which season do we need more fat? The right answer is option C, in winter. Question number 91 is how many teeth does an adult dog have? Your question is how many teeth does an adult dog have? The right answer is option D, 42. Question number 92 is how many times has Brazil won the World Cup? Your question is how many times has Brazil won the World Cup? The right answer is option C, 5. Okay. Question number 93 is how many players are there on each side of basketball game? Your question is how many players are there on each side of basketball game? The right answer is option B, 5. Question number 94 is 100-year war was between. Your question is 100-year war was between. The right answer is option A, France and England. Question number 95 is which animal is known to be the sip of the desert? Your question is which animal is known to be the sip of desert? The right answer is option B, camel. Question number 96 is who was the first person to walk on the moon? Your question is who was the first person to walk on the moon? The right answer is option B, Neil Armstrong. Question number 97 is which country was divided into 2 parts by wall? Your question is which country was divided into 2 parts by wall? The right answer is option B, Germany. Question number 98 is which city is the capital of Italy? Your question is which city is the capital of Italy? The right answer is option C, Rome. Okay, Rome is the capital of Italy. Question number 99 is which of this building is in India? Your question is which of this building is in India? The right answer is option C, Taj Mahal. Okay. Question number 100 and last question is in which country was the famous composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart born? Your question is in which country was the famous composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart born? The right answer is option B, Australia. मैं आपके लिए एक एडिशनल क्वेश्चन लेके आई हूँ. अगर आप इसका उत्तर जानते हैं देन प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. ओके, so the question is which of the following invention is the attributed to Thomas Edison? Your question is which of following invention is attributed to Thomas Edison? The right answer is Comment me. Thank you.